What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am such a ghost. This is out of control, honestly. I feel like last time you saw me I was like tan and in Italy. But anyway, I think I'm finally back on track with YouTube, and this is like current. So it's like 8:45 in the morning right now, and I am up because I have a hair appointment today. As you guys saw in my last video, I got my extensions taken out about a week ago, and I've been dealing with this short situation since then, and I was about sick of it. So I'm heading to a place called Hairs and Graces Extensions today to get a new set of extensions. They're the same kind that I used to have when I lived in the States. They're called micro, nano, some kind of micro or nano bead extension. So I'm getting those. I'm only not getting my Great Lengths extensions back in because the salon that I was doing it with before, Hazel and Hayden, is working with the TV show like How to Look Good Naked or something again, and they're just really busy and couldn't get me in as soon as I wanted to be in. So I'm up right now. I'm gonna go ahead and make my breakfast, make my coffee, make my greens, and then head to the train station to get to this hair appointment. So since you guys last saw me, I actually have a bit of a new morning routine, morning tradition. If you want to see like a full detailed morning routine, let me know. But I have started taking greens in the morning. When I was back home in Kentucky, I was trying out these greens, and when I got to the UK, I brought enough with me to last me like 2 weeks because that's how long I thought I was staying. Naturally, it turned into 2 months. And after a few weeks without it, I was missing it a lot. So it kind of gave me a chance to realize that like it was making a difference in my energy, in my digestion, in how much I was bloating, how I was feeling, things like that. And I find that taking this in the morning makes me feel so much better throughout the day. I have a little bit more energy. I don't crash as hard in the middle of the day, and I definitely don't bloat as much. I drink a ton of Diet Coke, as you guys know, carbonated drinks. So I naturally just like hold bloat in my lower stomach. I found out that carbonated drinks were a lot of the reason because on prep I didn't lose that until I cut out carbonation. So anyway, I find that this helps with that a lot. And at first I was like, I don't know about the flavor of all of this, but over time I have figured out a way that I really enjoy it, and it just tastes like a glass of lemonade in the morning with my breakfast. So these are called the First Form Optigreens. They have tons of good stuff in them, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a serving of this. So I just put it in a little shaker cup like this in the morning, shake it up, and I will be on my way with my cup of coffee. So I'm gonna do 2 scoops of the greens. And then the trick to make them taste good, thanks to you guys for telling me about this, is to add something to them, obviously, because they just taste like greens. So I use the BCAs. So these are the First Form BCAAs in lemonade. And I just do a massive scoop of this. And then literally, although it's a green color, it just tastes like lemonade. So I take a big scoop of this, throw that in there, and it helps me get my BCAs for the day. So there's that. You can also mix it with orange juice. Some people mix it with like the squirty things that you put in water, you know what I'm talking about, like the Mios, I guess, and have them that way. So I'm just gonna shake this up. If I was staying here, I'd probably pour it in a cup over ice because it's a lot better, I think, over ice, but I don't have time. So, and then I just drink it, and it literally tastes like lemonade. So highly recommend. This has been a huge game changer for me recently, and I'm definitely going to keep taking it and stay on it. So if you guys want to pick some up, so I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down below in the description if you guys are interested in picking it up, and let me know if you have any questions about it. And greens are something that I wanted to find a good one for a really long time, and I'm just glad that I finally found one that really works. So highly support. Now I'm going to make a cup of coffee and my reusable marble cup and some oatmeal and get to the train station.
Too close.
Last sip. Best sip. Alright, you guys, so wonderful, brilliant, perfect news for me. I just got a phone call from the hair salon, of course, like 45 minutes before the appointment, that the girl who's supposed to be doing my extensions called in sick. So now I'm like 45 minutes away from where we live at the University of Birmingham. I just walked here from the train station because there's a Starbucks up the street. I'm so disappointed. I've been so excited for this for a long time, but it sounds like we may do it Thursday instead. So I'm gonna take advantage of being here with like coffee shops around. Go sit at Starbucks for a while, hopefully get a whole bunch of work done on the Body by Britt app, and yeah, just take advantage of the next few hours, I guess. And at some point, Brandon is going to come get me because we're so pumped. Today we actually got an Airbnb in Birmingham in like the city center, kind of near where we used to live earlier this year. And it's like a really, really cute apartment, and we're gonna stay there for the next 10 days. I think we both just kind of wanted like some space. Not like nothing wrong with Brandon's family. They're amazing and they're like so good to us. But we just wanted like a little bit of space to ourselves for a little bit. In like a spot, you know, that's not crowded, where we can record and do some fun videos for you guys. Brandon is starting a bulking series on his channel, so he wanted to really do it up for his first few videos. So totally understand that, and we're honestly just so excited to have a little bit of space to ourselves. So gonna take advantage of the next few hours, and then he's gonna come get me, and that's that. But the long hair will have to wait for now. Made it. So long story short, it is like 5 o'clock right now. I worked in Starbucks for literally like hours and hours, and then I ate something, and then I worked hours and hours more on Body by Britt, and then I called Brandon, and he was supposed to pick me up at like 1 o'clock, and then all of a sudden it was 2, then it was 3, then it was 4, and I called him and he still hadn't left the house yet. So I went ahead and took an Uber over here to come in the apartment because I was sick of just like sitting in a coffee shop. So I will give you guys a little bit of like an apartment tour before he gets here. He's on his way right now. But the apartment is so cute, and it's so nice and clean, and the building is super nice. And we're literally like right in the middle of the downtown area in Birmingham. So there's like an Odeon Lux movie theater right next door. You guys know how much we love watching movies. There's a grocery store and like all kinds of stuff right around us. So it's gonna be perfect. I'm really, really excited. And it was honestly so inexpensive. Like when you see this place, for reference, it was $61 a night. Explain that to me. Like, I don't know, but it's awesome. And we're here for like 2 weeks. So this is what it is when you walk in. And then right in here, oh, where's the light? We have the first bathroom with a tub. And then in here is the first bedroom. We have a bed here, a window, nice little desk. It's gonna be so good to work. And then a huge wardrobe. And then you come through here and you have this really, really big space. It's so nice. This kitchen. There's a washer and dryer, which I can't even tell you how excited I am about, because there isn't one like right next to each other at Brandon's house. It's just gonna be, whoop, that's not it. Right here. It's gonna be just so nice to have that. We have all this stuff, our little fridge. Ow, if I don't break my nail. And it even comes with like all the utensils that you need and everything like that, which is so cool. So you can literally live here. Then we have a couch, this chair, a TV, another window. I just love how like bright and open this is. I can't wait to just make breakfast, and Brandon and I like have some space to ourselves and have breakfast here. It's so good. And then in here we have, this is the other bedroom. Same kind of thing, only this one has like this open wardrobe situation right here. Another window and a second bathroom. I can't believe there's 2, and this one has like a big stand-up shower and everything. It's so nice. So yeah, I'm so excited about this. It's just gonna be really good. Like, as much as I love spending time with family, you know, sometimes you just like need some space to yourself, and yeah, just some like us time. So it's gonna be really good. I'm so excited that we like decided to do this. I think it's totally worth the investment, especially since it's like not expensive at all just to be here together. So I'm gonna show you guys the view too, because it's pretty good. So this is the one from the kitchen. So this is good old Birmingham here. That's the Odeon Lux theater right there. That's just like, there's such nice movie theaters here. I don't know, but they're like great. They're like couches. I have no idea what this is. That's the car park. Yeah, that's the city. And then over here, out this window, we have all of this. So big hotel, the Park Regis is there, and like over this way there's a grocery store. So anyway, I'm gonna go grab Brandon, and we're hopefully going to get settled in because he has all of the luggage. He has arrived. What do you think?
It's fucking nice. I wasn't expecting it to be so nice.
I know, it's really nice.
I know we're staying here for like 10 days, but we could extend for like 20 days until we go to America.
Yep, I would not be against that. Alright, you guys, so I have taken a very short nap, and Brandon and I are heading nowhere because he forgot his car keys. But no, we are actually going to be heading to Ultimate Fitness Gym. It's only like a 5-minute drive from here, and I've worked out there a handful of times, but they have a lot of really, really good glute machines. I'm just hoping that it's not freezing. If you guys are OGs to the channel, then you remember when I went to Ultimate Fitness, like right when I moved to England, and I screamed about how cold it was for ages. So fingers crossed it's not like that today, or I'm going to be freaking miserable. But we're gonna be hitting a glute dominant workout today. I'm gonna record it for you guys so you can see. This is one of my favorites I've been doing lately. I've basically been alternating between 3 leg days because I'm training legs twice a week. So yeah, so it'll be really fun, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Somebody to show me some love. I'm gonna keep on looking for some love. I'm looking for somebody to show me.
Don't try this at home. No, try it, but get a real band.
Looking for some love. Choices you made, did you make them again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? I'm looking for somebody to show me some love. I'm gonna.
All right, we just left the gym. Super good workout, really high volume. But we're at Morrison's right now. We don't have a lot of food in the apartment other than like Brandon's food. My eyelashes are wonky now. But we are going to pick up some groceries so I finally have some food to eat that isn't like Rice Krispie treats and cereal. What if we need to? Don't we need chicken?
No.
You didn't bring the frozen stuff, did you?
Yeah, we need chicken. We need
so
chicken.
We need 2 parts. We need 4.
Sweet.
Avocado master.
We don't need 6.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't.
I eat.
They're not on my diet anymore.
They're not mine. I eat 2 a day.
You ready for this sickness? This is going to be inspirational. The way I'm going to scan this 5% beef right now is going to change everyone's life. Alright, they're not ready. Are you ready?
Alright you guys, we just got home, so I'll show you some of the stuff that we got. My favorite thing to eat lately, if you've been watching my Instagram stories, is like a DIY Chipotle bowl. So I got some just skinless chicken breast that's already cooked because I'm lazy and it's late. Some of this coconut rice. It's so good. I don't know what it is about it, but the flavor of it is like better than jasmine rice. And you just throw this in the microwave for like 2 minutes and it's done. Love that. I have some mozzarella cheese over here, and what I usually do is I cook it all in the pan with truffle oil, like maybe like 2 or 3 teaspoons of truffle oil, just because it gives it like a really good flavor. But the grocery store we went to, of course, didn't have any, so I just got some olive oil to throw in there. It is heating up in the pan now. And then what else do I put in it? Oh, back here I have some just garlic and then salt and pepper right there. And then when it's all said and done, I will throw some avocado on the top. So this is one of my favorite like bulking meals to eat because I get my healthy fats, all of my carbs, some less healthy fats in there, but it's just really tasty and it helps me because I don't always eat enough in one sitting, and like forcing myself to finish a whole thing of rice is usually like a good way for me to do it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna cook this up.
I'm looking for somebody to show me some love. I'm gonna keep on looking for some love.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one.